Welcome to the year 2050, a world where imagination has become reality and cities no longer just exist on the ground, but rise into the sky, glowing like futuristic beacons of progress. Here, architecture is more than steel and glass. Towers curve like living sculptures, designed not only for beauty, but for harmony with nature. Solar panels shimmer across their surfaces, absorbing the sun's energy to power entire districts. Hovering vehicles glide silently between the skyscrapers. No noise, no smoke, just seamless flow. The air is cleaner than ever before, as fossil fuels are a forgotten relic of the past. Instead, transportation relies on renewable energy, magnetic levitation, and artificial intelligence that keeps everything moving in perfect rhythm. At the heart of the city, technology and humanity blend together. Smart roads guide autonomous cars, while drones deliver goods within minutes. People walk freely through dazzling streets enriched with augmented reality, where digital information hovers right before your eyes. But beyond the technology, what truly defines this future is sustainability. Rooftop gardens stretch high into the skies. Vertical farms feed millions without leaving scars on the earth. Water is purified, recycled, and reused with near perfection. Here, nothing goes to waste. Education, healthcare, communication, every aspect of daily life thrives through advanced networks powered by artificial intelligence. It is a world that adapts to human needs, predicting problems before they arise, and offering solutions before we even ask. This is not just a vision of tomorrow. This is the city of 2050. Where science fiction has become science fact.